Hello Buccaneers, today we're going to unbox and review the Goonies, Escape with One-Eyed Willy's Rich Stuff from the Op. And it's for ages 12 and up, 1 or more players. This is the third in the series of coded Chronicles, which is escape room style games. The first was Scooby-Doo and then The Shining, and this is the third. The Goonies also happens to be a movie we've watched last year, and I thought it was pretty good. Now let's get to the back. Oh, I guess for all the coded Chronicle games, there's a difficulty marker. This one is 4 out of 6.
No, is that orange out of 6? Yeah, that's orange out of 6.
Here's the description. It's a race to save the Goondocks. Take on the roles of the Goonies. Mikey, Brand, Mouth, Dada, Andy, Steph, Chunk. Yes, Chunk, my favorite.
And Sloth.
And begin the quest to claim One-Eyed Willy's treasure. This adventure takes cunning, special skills, and teamwork as players decode the needed clues and solve puzzles to reach the Inferno. Determination is of the utmost importance if you hope to stay one step ahead of the Fratellis. Oh, okay. Yeah, this just basically sounds like the movie. You're trying to find the treasure and not get caught by the Fratellis. There are over 120 components, 8 secret envelopes with 25 puzzles, and the About section says it's the first at-home escape room style game that incorporates a strong narrative storyline from iconic franchises as a guide for players to work together. The contents are 8 narrative journals, 7 map tiles. It goes on and on. We're going to show them to you later. That took okay. Wait, hold on. Before we take out anything, I need to make sure there's no spoilers. So, this is the first. Oh, it says read this first. It's just the contents, the setup, how to play, solving puzzles, what happens if you're caught by the Fratellis. There's a bunch of hints. There's a hint page. Caught by the Fratellis tracker. And the end of the game score. Okay.
Oh, wait, this each character. Here, let me show you. Here's the characters that you get to choose. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I think these are journals for each of the characters. Mikey, and so on. Wait, I want to see Chunks.
Chunks. 7. Sloth is 8.
Oh yeah, I like Sloth too. And who's this?
Data is 9.
Data is that Asian kid?
No, girl. It's a girl kid.
What? No, it's a boy.
I forgot, guys. I haven't watched that in like a million years.
This is... I'm not sure. It's a deck of cards.
Cards.
I just said that.
Cards.
Okay. I think these are location envelopes. So here's Gold Rock Beach. The Goondocks. And I don't want to get them out of order just in case. But is there any other?
You're really good at getting stuff out of order. You know that, right?
River's Edge. I don't remember that. Okay. What's...
Don't look at it. Don't look.
Oh, this is map tile. Map tile.
Don't look at the stuff.
Marker?
Wait.
What?
I don't know if you're supposed to look at this stuff, guys. Oh, that's a map. Yeah, very mappy. Totally.
Okay. I think this is the treasure map. There's also a musical note thing at the back.
Hey, that could have been a puzzle.
But it's so obvious. I can show it to them, I think.
Hey, don't. Maybe it was a puzzle.
No, Here it is.
That's the puzzle.
Okay, yeah, this is probably a treasure map. And this is a laminated surface, so maybe you can... Oh, use this on there, because then you can erase. And lastly, intermission.
Oh, this is an envelope.
Oh, maybe this is for when you're like halfway through, so that you can store things in there. Maybe.
Okay, we're gonna play this.
Wait.
Wait.
Stop.
Stop.
Hold on. Do you think I can look inside here?
No.
I don't think so. I don't. Yeah.
I told you not to.
Okay, you can cut this out if it's a spoiler later, but this is just kind of what it looks like inside
Don't.
the journal.
Don't. I told you not to.
But this video can be edited, so it's fine. And lastly, the time is over here. It says 60 to 90 minutes per act. Yeah, okay, there's 3 acts. So to play this entire game, it could take as little as 3 hours or as long as 4 or 5 hours. We're going to do a live stream of Act 1 and come back with our initial thoughts. And we're back. We just did a live stream of Act 1, and we're not going to go over the rules of the game here, but if you want to see the gameplay, you can watch our live stream. Just be aware there might be spoilers. Now we're going to talk about our initial thoughts. First of all, this basically follows the story of the movies, and there's a pretty strong storyline in here. Even in the beginning, since we just played Act 1, they already dived into the whole story part with the Fratellis and them trying to find One-Eyed Willy's rich stuff. The story is pretty good. There is some reading involved, since you're reading dialogue from each of the characters, and the puzzles are also not bad. And Brother was able to help us too. And yeah, there was one puzzle where we couldn't figure out how to do it, but then Brother insisted that he knew the answer, and we didn't believe him, and it turned out he was correct. The thing that makes it unique is that each character has their own journal entry, and basically to find the answers you have to read the journal entries. So that's like the signature component of the game, I guess. There's also cards. Sometimes they'll tell you to read cards and then discard cards when you don't need them anymore. And like the solution is usually in the form of a 4-digit code, I think. Oh yeah, each character in the game has special abilities. For example, Mikey is the one who explores. So whenever you enter a new location, such as a waterfall, the waterfall room, or the sewers, or whatever that is, Mikey is usually the first person to go in, explore, and then there was one annoying character in there. Steph, yeah. Steph is the person who keeps explaining things, but a lot of Steph's, and this is not a spoiler, but it's just a lot of Steph's explanations are just saying like, come on, this is self-explanatory. That wasn't like, I think my favorite character in here so far, because we haven't gone to all the characters, but my favorite one so far is Data, because he has a lot of cool inventions, and we used 1 or 2 of them already to help you advance to the next room. Alright, the puzzles in here so far are not as unique as other escape rooms we've played, but the great detailed storyline makes up for it. And also, we've only done Act 1, so there's still two more acts that could have even greater puzzles.
One of the characters that I want to see is Chunk, because in the movie he's really funny.
But of all the puzzles we've played, he still hasn't shown up. But when he does show up, I wonder what he'll be like. Like, is he gonna be a character who keeps eating food? He does that in the movie, right? Or do the chunky monkey, the truffle shuffle?
Does he even eat truffles?
So, yeah, I just wonder what he'll be like. And also that other fellow, Sloth. Yeah, Sloth.
Yeah, he's the tall guy.
Really? The tall guy?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's him.
And that is our review for Goonies Escape with One-Eyed Willy's Rich Stuff. Oh, the time it took to play. We did most of Act 1. We didn't do the whole entire thing, but we're pretty sure that we got very close to the end. I've just been busy with stuff, and I wonder how long playing the entire game is, because they did say Act 1 takes 60 to 90 minutes. We were on the slower side. It took us like 90 minutes, I think. So I'm assuming 3 parts. That would take a while, but I'm sure the ending of the game is fun. That is our initial thoughts. Of course, we didn't play the whole thing. This review is just for the beginning, I guess.
If this looks fun to you, you can purchase this at the link in the description.
Bye-bye.